This is just a super quick video to show you the sealant that I used on the fire bricks at the back of my partially renovated fireplace. It's matte stone impregnating sealer. I think it's supposed to be for floors, but it worked really well. I put 2 coats on. I just wanted to show you how it brought the colours out and helped to define the bricks so that they didn't look so blurry after my paint wash. The sealant will help to keep the bricks clean, stop dust from settling on the walls, and make them easy to dust and to wash. I might add a couple more coats. It ended up quite shiny, but I know from experience that this sealant starts off shiny and ends up being more of a matte finish. Part 4 coming soon of this fireplace restoration project. Bye!